You're looking at a 2015 Ram 3500 Crew Cab SLT 4-wheel drive. This has been in Montana since new. There are no accidents recorded on the history report. The tires are 18-inch Michelin LTXs, and they are in good shape. We have had the transmission rebuilt, and the transmission has a warranty on it. The Ram has a 6.4-liter Hemi V8, 6-speed automatic transmission, 373 rear axle ratio, 10,800-pound GVWR, Class 5 towing equipment including brake controller, trailer sway controller, solid rear axle suspension, multi-link front suspension. Options include SLT package, luxury group, 8.4-inch touchscreen Uconnect infotainment with Bluetooth, Sirius XM satellite radio, Parkview rear backup camera, 9 amplified speakers with subwoofer, ParkSense rear park assist system, air conditioning, power windows, locks and side view mirrors, cruise control with tilt wheel, fog lights, alloy wheels, keyless entry. This Ram is ready to go to work or play, and you have the peace of mind with the rebuilt transmission with warranty. For more information about this vehicle, or to see our large selection of quality vehicles, go to carfactorymt.com. You can buy with confidence at the Car Factory. We are Montana family-owned and operated for over 2 decades. And our great reviews on Google show that people love doing business with us. Stop by today. 4562 State Ave, Billings, Montana.